Welcome to our video on door card removal. The first step is to remove the 3 clips that run up the side of the door card on the inside edge. They just pull out. Then you've got 3 poppers that hide the screws. We use a pick or a small screwdriver. They're a bit fiddly to pull out, but you can get them out. You can see here the pick just slots in behind and levers them out. You've got one here down inside the recess in the handle. Once you've got them out, you can use a screwdriver to remove 3 large screws into the door card. I'd recommend a magnetic screwdriver so you don't lose them. Keep them safe when you get them out. Once you've got all 3 of these unscrewed, you can move on to the handle surround. You can see here you just pull the handle back and undo the screw in the centre. Once it's off, the surround just carefully pulls away from the handle. Then you've got screws that run underneath the door card, right down on basically near the floor. Sometimes these are missing and they fall out, but you need to get them all out. The next step is to remove the locking pin. It just simply unscrews. And the last step is to remove the switch. Do this really carefully because they're brittle. Just slowly lever it out, and then once it's out, unplug the wiring harness. You just pinch the harness. The door card should pull away after this. Sometimes you have to give it a little bit of encouragement on the back edge. There's some poppers that just need to pull out. Make sure the harness is pushed through the door card and then pull the card from the bottom so that it goes around the door handle and then lifts up and unhooks. Once it's out, we normally remove the speaker grills from the back because that's the only way you can get them out, so that we can clean them and paint them. If you want to replace the speakers, have a look at our other videos, and if you're missing any of the clips and inserts that hold this together, just give us a shout. Cheers.